luxury, heritage, and cutting-edge innovation. Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into one of the most talked about luxury sedans of the future, the all-new 2026 Toyota Century. This isn't just any car, it's Japan's answer to Rolls-Royce, and it's turning more heads than ever. At first glance, the front end of the 2026 Toyota Century is an absolute stunner. Drenched in deep black with sleek orange accents, this car makes a strong statement of prestige and power. The bold grille, vertical slats finished in gloss black, proudly wears the Toyota emblem, while the laser-sharp LED headlights give it a modern, commanding look. The full body kit, sharp lines, and aerodynamic curves suggest this isn't just a chauffeur's car anymore. This is a driver's luxury sedan. Moving to the rear, the Century continues to impress with its refined styling. The back features redesigned taillights with intricate LED signatures and a subtle ducktail spoiler that hints at sportiness. The blacked-out trim and dual exhaust diffusers add a touch of aggression, while keeping the car's regal DNA intact. Even the wide rear stance reinforces the car's presence. It's sophisticated, but never boring. Step inside, and you're greeted by what can only be described as a sanctuary on wheels. Plush leather seats, real wood inlays, and whisper-quiet cabin insulation set the tone. Rear seat passengers get executive-class amenities. Think reclining seats, massage functions, personal screens, and even footrests. Up front, the cockpit is driver-focused with a fully digital instrument cluster and an updated infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's advanced AI assistant. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to offer a newly tuned hybrid V8 powertrain, delivering more than 450 horsepower while maintaining smoothness and efficiency. There's also word of an all-wheel drive version, improving grip and ride stability. Suspension upgrades promise a cloud-like ride, whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured. With all these premium upgrades, you can expect a significant bump in pricing. The current generation starts around $180,000, and the 2026 model may push closer to the $200,000 mark depending on customization. It's a niche vehicle meant for those who value understated opulence. More of a private jet on wheels than a status symbol. Toyota has not officially announced a release date yet, but industry insiders suggest a late 2025 to early 2026 debut in Japan, followed by limited availability in global luxury markets. Expect more reveals in upcoming auto shows, possibly with a GR edition teased.